नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के लिए लाए हैं हम किड्स टीवी।
Assalamualaikum kids. Count the color balloons. Each color 10 balloons.
Okay, yes.
Okay, start counting yellow balloons. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3 yellow,
3 yellow,
4,
4,
5 yellow,
5 yellow,
6 yellow,
6 yellow,
7 yellow,
7 yellow,
8 yellow,
8 yellow,
9
9,
and 10 yellow colors.
and 10 yellow colors.
Okay, brown color counting. 1,
1,
2 brown,
2 brown,
3,
3,
4 brown,
4 brown,
5 brown,
5 brown,
6 brown,
6 brown,
7 brown,
7 brown,
8 brown,
8 brown,
9,
9,
10 brown balloon.
10 brown balloon.
Count the green color balloon. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3 green,
3 green,
4 green,
4 green,
5 green,
5 green,
6 green,
6 green,
7 green,
7 green,
8 green,
8 green,
9 green,
9 green,
10 green balloon.
10 green balloon.
Okay, blue count balloon. 1,
1,
2 blue,
2 blue,
3,
3,
4 blue,
4 blue,
5 blue,
5 blue,
6 blue,
6 blue,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10 blue balloon.
10 blue balloon.
Okay, count red balloon. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3 red,
3 red,
4 red,
4 red,
5 red,
5 red,
6 red,
6 red,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10 red balloon.
10 red balloon.
Okay, count pink balloon. 1,
1,
2 pink,
2 pink,
3,
3,
4 pink,
4 pink,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10 pink balloon.
10 pink balloon.
Okay, count orange balloon. 1,
1,
2 orange,
2 orange,
3 orange,
3 orange,
4 orange,
4 orange,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8 8 orange,
8 orange,
9,
9,
10 orange balloon.
10 orange balloon.
Okay kids, Allah Hafiz. Please like and subscribe Kids TV.
Please like and subscribe